Honda S2000 is easily one of the most iconic sports cars to come out of Japan in the 21st century. Light, powerful, agile, the S2K is a car for the true driving enthusiast, and a car that even over 10 years after production has ceased, still makes waves anywhere it goes. After asking ourselves and the community what is something that this amazing chassis needs, we came to the conclusion that a proper big brake kit is exactly what we're after. And not just a big brake kit for the front, but a full, complete, four-wheel big brake kit system designed to work perfectly together. Rotors, calipers, lines, and rear parking brake retention are just some of the key aspects you'll get out of this kit. So let's dive into the details and show you exactly how we redefine the aftermarket with this modern chassis. Fitment was a big consideration when determining caliper and rotor size. We wanted to increase the thermal capacity of the front brakes as much as we could to help improve cooling, all while being mindful of wheel fitment. After talking to several S2000 owners and track enthusiasts, it was clear that high offset 17-inch wheels are a main staple in the S2K community. A fixed two-piece rotor was utilized to give the best of both worlds. A kit that performs on track, but is still quiet and comfortable for the street. The rotor is made up of a high-quality gray iron with slots to help aid in cooling and keep the brake pad surface clean. The rotor hat is made from aluminum to help reduce unsprung mass and make it possible to replace just the ring on rotors as opposed to the whole thing. This helps keep service costs down and everything in check. Hugging the massive rotor is a 4-piston caliper to help bring the car to a stop. A large fixed aluminum body is used to help keep weight down and provide great stopping power and pedal feel. We opted to use a staggered 4-piston design where the leading pistons are actually smaller than the rear pistons. This ensures great initial bite on first braking and even pad wear for a long service life. Finished off in a high-temp hydraulic paint, your calipers will never fade from years of spirited driving. We took all the same great attributes from the front and brought it to the rear in the correct proportions. 304 by 22 millimeter two-piece rear rotor is used to help bring balance and help keep brake bias in check. We kept a 4-piston caliper with staggered pistons to again ensure a smooth and clean pedal feel, all while maximizing pad life. Both the front and rear calipers are outfitted with stainless steel pistons for durability on and off the track. Simply put, this is a caliper you can work hard all day, every day, no matter what, and still feel confident in all of its driving abilities. However, our most favorite aspect of this entire kit has to be the retention of the rear parking brake assembly. That's right, unlike all the other kits in the market that have you switch to a complicated 2-rear caliper setup or ditch the parking brake entirely, this kit actually works. Safety is key here, which is exactly why we didn't want you to compromise on the parking brake. That's an important feature on your Honda S2000 and one you absolutely should use. Finishing it all off, we're outfitting you with a wheel fitment guide to help you understand what size wheels are going to work with this kit, full color installation instructions to make it easier than ever to do this in your own garage, and a little bit of touch-up paint just in case. The team here at 271 is super excited to bring this kit to market for the Honda S2000. You can get the front kit only, the rear kit only, or both kits together for a complete package. We're really excited about what we brought here and we know you're gonna love it. I'm Vincent, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys next time.